Changing the email link to your Bank of America account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to the profile or settings section of your account. This is usually found in the top menu or under your account options. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the profile settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is linked to your account. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Bank of America's customer service for assistance.